In today's video, I will teach you how to replace a background with a solid color using AI. Let's get started. Sometimes a busy or distracting background can take attention away from the main subject of your photo. Whether you're creating professional product images, ID photos, or clean social media content, replacing the background with a solid color can give your photo a sleek and focused look. But thanks to Photor's AI background remover, you don't need Photoshop or advanced editing skills. So go to Photor Background Remover, and in the editor, you can either drag and drop your image into the window or click to upload from your computer. Supported file types include JPG, JPEG, PNG, and BMP. But if you just want to try it out first, you can choose one of the sample images provided by Photor. And once your image is uploaded, Photor's AI will automatically detect and remove the background. And within a few seconds, you'll see just your subject cleanly cut out and ready for editing. Now we're going to choose a solid color background. Below your image, you'll see a row of solid color swatches. To replace your background, you can click on any color that you like from the preset options or click at the color spectrum at the end of the row for more choices. In the color selector, you can also adjust the shade and brightness. And you can also enter a hex code for an exact color. This is great for brand colors or specific tones. Now, you can click and hold the compare button to view the before and after. Now we're going to download your edited photo. Photor offers two download options. The free version where you can download a preview-sized image, which is 500 by 500 pixels, or the Pro version where you can download your photo in HD with full resolution. You can also activate Photor's 7-day free trial to get full access to high-resolution downloads and premium features without paying right away. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.